Alright, let's go play.
Okay, this goes out to all the people that have to deal with Hurricane Isaac.
Yeah, cause you know this been second round. We had 2 hurricanes that hit our city.
Hey, cause look how we had. We was all in the
Girl, we can do it. Oh yeah, we getting the aftershocks of it or whatever. But you know. But anyway, this song, this video go out to Hurricane Isaac. Was this is strictly fun. Yeah.
All right, follow me on.
But yeah, the reason why we look like this.
It was rain. I'm telling you.
It just got over a couple of hours ago. We had tornado watches. We're in the east, by the way. All right.
Yeah.
But yeah, this for all the people at y'all everybody. We know y'all struggles. Follow me on Instagram at okay with 3 Y's and an underscore.
All right, follow me on Instagram OT_first with 3 Y's.
Alright.
Follow me at Totally Amazing.
Ooh, it's underscore amazing. By the way.
Oh,
But
yeah.
alright. Y'all can see the wind. Look at it's still blowing or whatever. Yeah, look at the trees. Boom. Alright, if your balcony looks like this, on the ground, after the song. But yeah, though.
Yes.
Just dip.
If y'all walking that dress, y'all better be careful. They got nails in them, the roots and stuff. Alright? No, they got nails in that grass.
If your daddy,
Look out for us, you hear me?
yeah.
So you don't step on no nails, let's go.
That's my daddy.
If your brothers and your family members and all your little cousins have to wait to play football, come on and just dip for me. Dip for me.
If you had to lock your brother in the house so he wouldn't get in the rain, dip with us.
If you had to put buggy down and towels down for your water was dripping, just dip. If you had to eat tuna fish because your power was down, you couldn't make it no rain, just dip.
We have arts and crafts for the children for Hurricane Isaac. Education must go on. We have books and everything you need to read. All kind of dictionaries and everything. We're going to keep it together for Isaac.
Yeah, now dip for Isaac. Dip for Isaac. It's a beat. It's a beat. It's a beat.
Alright, if you have to use a head flashlight and a lantern to get through Isaac, dip for Isaac. Put the lantern right in your hand. Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm about to go eat my daddy. Ask him how his point of view was for this hurricane. Come on, y'all. Come on. Well, Dad, what you think about this hurricane? Because, you know, we trying to put a little video together. What you think about this?
Crazy. A lot of wind. Lights on, lights off. We made it. We here.
Hey, let's go. Now get up and dip.
Oh.